Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check balance on Cigna Benefits Card, step-by-step guide step-by-step clearly. To check the balance on your Cigna Benefits Card, start by locating your card. Look for the number printed on the front of the card. Make sure you have your personal identification details ready. Next, visit the Cigna website by entering the URL in your browser. Once on the Cigna homepage, navigate to the Login section. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one by selecting the Register option. After logging in, locate the section labeled Benefits or Card Balance. You should see your current balance displayed prominently. Alternatively, you can call the customer service number found on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts to access your balance information. Be prepared to provide your card number and personal identification for verification. If you prefer, you can also check your balance using the Cigna mobile app. Download the app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Log in using your Cigna account credentials. Navigate to the benefits or your balance will be displayed there as well. Make note of your balance for future reference. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Cigna's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.